guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. So glad you're here. Hey, I'm going to be doing a pearl pour tonight, and with the new recipe I just came up with. And actually, I haven't even posted that video yet. Oops. Well, we're not sure which one's going first, but this is my new mix. I have mixed it with Zinsser. The first ingredient is going to be Loft, the bad boy, Floetrol. But we want to put 2 teaspoons of this in. I'll list the recipe in the description. So I'm going to flood my canvas. Before I do that, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be using. This is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red Light. This is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. This is Amsterdam, a mixture of turquoise blue and turquoise green. This is, what is this? This is Amsterdam Expert in turquoise green mixed with golden phthalo blue shade. So that should be pretty. I'm going to get my blues and greens on tonight. This is a mixture of a golden iridescent pearl and Modern Masters in pearl white. And I think that's it. I've got some quinacridone nickel gold, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And that's mixed with the burnt orange from Modern Masters. You know, I think I might. That's it right here. Get a stick out. I reused my sticks, guys. I wipe them off and then I use them again. So anyhow, let's, I'm trying to figure out, oh, I know which colors I'm going first. Okay, here goes my, oh, I have the handles on tonight too. I'm gonna use all of this. I think there's about 14 ounces in here. It's a 20 by 20 canvas. Artist Loft, gallery wrapped. There's something there. Oh, that was a bubble. I have taped the backs of my canvas. I've also I don't know why I can't talk when I'm doing this. I don't know why it's not much to concentrate on here. Tape the backs, and I've also put some Artist Loft Flow White around the edges, straight from the bottle. I'm gonna bring it back to center, and let's just move it down. Make sure we've got enough paint off. I know, it seems weird. You're putting your paint on and then you want to take it off. It's just the way it works with these pours. I use all the paint that I have on there. Scrape it up and use it again. All right, wish me luck on this. It's been, not quite sure exactly how I want to start the colors. I'm going to start with the iridescent pearl, and then I'm going to go with the gold, then the quinacridone nickel gold, then I'm going to put some more pearl on top of that. Then I'm going to use the turquoise blue, the turquoise green, a lot of paint, the Amsterdam greenish blue, And this is a combination. I forgot to tell you guys what this is. This is a combination of Charvin paints. We have ocean blue and shadow. Ocean blue, shadow, and I put some phthalo turquoise from Golden in here. All right, and we're gonna tilt. Wow, a lot of color. The torch. So, I was able to use the Artist Loft Flow White, the bad one, with the Zinsser. The Zinsser is it's a paint additive, and it brought me some beautiful pearls. So hopefully, of course I did it on a much smaller scale. So I'm hoping this works out on a bigger scale. I might do some swipes too, I'm not sure. Can't wait to go to the Fluidart experience. It's in a week. In a week I'll be there. Oh my. So we gotta get more of this paint off. So I'm gonna bring it off this way. I want some negative space. Oh, here come the pearls. Oh, I'm so glad I used that quinacridone turquoise so gold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bring it down. And I'm going to bring it back to center. And as I do that, I'm going to tilt over this way. And then bring it back. I wanted that line to show up. Oh, it's gonna be pretty. All right, and I'm gonna try and get those wonky cells off so I can create some new ones. And I'm gonna just tilt it right off this way because there's a whole river of paint coming down. Okay, and then back. And I'm going to be leaving it pretty soon because I'm liking the composition. There we go. Oh my. Are you straight up there? I hope so. All right, I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to put you on time lapse, and I'm the slower one just in case I want to mess around with this. But so far so good. It's looking good. Almost looks like some kind of country. I don't know which one, but you'd think I'd know being a flight attendant. All right, I'm going to turn you on to time lapse. Hey guys, wow. Well, I have some monster cells, like the really huge ones. I love the composition on this. I love the color blending. Oops, sorry, I just got off my ladder here. Yeah, these are so-so. I'm not complaining, really. I mean, there's only so much you can do. I did put some iridescent, oh, what the heck was that? Oh, it was interference gold. That's what I put in there. That's interference gold right there. In with the pearl. And it's sparkling. So, yeah. I'm pretty happy. Still need to tweak the recipe a little bit, but it's, I'm not crying. There's that interference gold again. Pretty pretty. That's something Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara told me about. And, yeah, these are, I don't know what they look like. They're kind of funny looking. They're look like ghosts. They're ghost cells. And I did a few enhancements in through here. And yeah, I like the color combinations. And I'm glad I put the quinacridone nickel laser gold in. Look at that. So there is a spot right here. Oops, sorry, too close. I don't know if the paints are splitting or if they're, if I hit it with the torch too hard. I can fix that, but it's not bad, really. I'm kind of happy. Yeah, I don't mind this cluster of big cells. I really don't. It's kind of appropriate. Anyhow. So, anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. All right, guys. So this is completely dry now. I wasn't really digging on those cells that were right in here. I didn't like them. So I colored them in with the deep blues. And then I did a little wash over this one here. So I might do a little bit more embellishing with this, but yeah, the recipe is still not quite right. See these monster cells? That's what I call them. They look like monster cells. So anyhow, but I love the composition on this one. I was going to pour over it and I'm like, no, can't do it. I'll fix it. All right, just wanted to let you know.